Same-sex marriage. Hey, the Supreme Court has spoken, and it is stated that the U.S. Constitution allows same-sex marriage. It is lawful throughout the United States. That's kind of old news. But are same-sex couples still confronting some problems? Well, let's take a look at this week's case. It involves a same-sex couple, two females in Utah. The two females were taking care of a foster child. The foster child was someone who was the offspring of an individual that they knew. The woman who was the natural biological parent of this foster child wanted these two women who were married to adopt the child. The women wanted to adopt the child. So preparation was being made for that. However, for the time being, the child was a foster child, and the two women in this same-sex relationship were looking after it. Since it was a foster child, the state of Utah supervised that foster child relationship. And at one point in time, the couple appeared before a juvenile court judge, Scott Johansson. Now, Judge Johansson said, I find, let me say, that there is evidence that indicates that a child should be raised by a father and a mother. In this instance, there's just two mothers. And I think that's not in the child's best interest. And he ordered the child be removed from the house in 7 days. Needless to say, the two women were very upset by this. There was a hailstorm of criticism, and the judge later amended his order and basically said that it was the concern of the court. Didn't say there was scientific or social evidence, but there was the concern of the court that a child should be raised by a father and a mother, and that it was in the best interest that that take place. He also rescinded his order, saying that they don't have to be having this child removed in 7 days, and that the case would be heard at a later point in time. And in the interim, he also recused himself. He indicated he would no longer be the judge hearing the case. We don't know where this case will eventually find itself, but what we do know is this, that even though same-sex marriage is lawful throughout the United States, there are issues regarding foster care, issues regarding child custody in the event of a divorce, issues regarding division of property in the event of death or in the event of a divorce. So these are all things that have to be worked out on a case-by-case basis, and it's something that we will see being worked out as the years go forward. All right, we bring you this case, we bring cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.